Cats have been domesticated for thousands of years, but some have chosen to lead a life of crime. These rogue cats have left their mark on history in unexpected ways. In ancient Egypt, a cat named Tamiu was worshipped as a goddess, but when she escaped from the temple, she wreaked havoc on the city's rodent population. The people were both terrified and amazed by her brazen behavior. During the French Revolution, a cat named Le Griffe became a symbol of the rebellion. She roamed the streets of Paris, attacking the wealthy aristocrats and their fine clothing. La Griffe became a hero to the people, inspiring them to fight for their freedom. In modern times, a cat named Rambo in Istanbul, Turkey, has become notorious for his daring burglaries. He's been caught on camera sneaking into homes and businesses, stealing food and other items. Despite efforts to catch him, Rambo continues to evade authorities and capture the hearts of the people. These rogue cats prove that even the smallest creatures can make a big impact on history. Who knows what other feline